The difference between birds in America and birds in Nigeria.
I don't want peace.
Are you kidding? In America, when the birds sound in the night, they will say, "Oh, the birds are singing." Are you kidding? But in Nigeria, when a bird sound in the night,
You want to see crazy?
you will hear, "I bound you in Jesus' name." Because in Hebrew chapter 2 all over 1, then go confuse straight to me. He said, "I shall not die to declare thou thee." Are you kidding? In America, this bird is called owl. Looking cool. Are you kidding? But in Nigeria, the bird name is called the village people. Nigeria fear and die. Are you kidding? In America, when a bird fly inside their room, they will take the bird to the window and let the bird fly away. Are you kidding? But in Nigeria, when a bird fly inside their room, that's the last time the bird will see outside.
Are you playing? What type of playing?
Because they go chop am. Nigeria, anything is eatable. Are you kidding? That's Nigeria.
When I want to explain it, my head will be headache. Yeah.
American birds, Nigerian birds. Same way.
Ah, God, why do you brought me to this Nigeria? What is my sin?